Right then, welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby and Happy Harvey Hibby. Yes, it's Harvey. It's a Harvey jumper. Right, we're going to let Harvey go and play. But if you do like Harvey, you can follow him on his Instagram page, Happy Harvey Hibby. Yes. Okay, so go and play. Go get him. Yes. So what recipe am I going to cover today? Something super healthy. It's going to be one from the amazing new Bold Beans Company, and it's the latest book that they have brought out, and it's called Full of Beans. So the recipe we're going to cover is an amazing soup recipe, and it is the watercress white bean soup with charred asparagus. Just look at that, it looks absolutely fantastic. Tried this a few times, my wife loves it, and really can't wait to show you the tasting at the end, so please do stay with me. So the core ingredients you need for this, of course, your asparagus, some watercress, just a little bit of wild rocket as well, just to add a little bit of pepperiness to it. 2 shallots, of course, your jar or tin of your white beans, and this is sensational in this. It just adds that real natural vegan creaminess, real lovely texture as well. Garlic, you can use some of the amazing Essential Cuisine Vegetable Mirepoix Glace. Absolutely amazing. Just a tablespoon of this, it works wonders. You can either use pine nuts, but pine nuts are really quite expensive. I do have some left, so I am going to use some. But alternatively, you can use pumpkin seeds. Both of them very nutritious. In fact, the pumpkin seeds probably more nutritious than the pine nuts. And completely optional is some olive oil. Now I might just use some of this to drizzle at the end, and this is some premium extra virgin olive oil. You can actually do this whole food plant-based and use no oil for cooking, and then eliminate this. Completely optional to you. So very simple, and really just about 8 to 10 ingredients, just depending on what you use. So let's get going. And here we have it. Look at that, looks absolutely amazing. So now for the taste test, the best bit. That's absolutely amazing. And the contrast with the watercress, the rocket is amazing. The rocket, yeah, it just has that nice little bit of pepperiness, a good combination. But yeah, you can either use watercress on its own, you can even use rocket on its own. I just put the lot in combined. It's got that real green quality to it. Yeah, so this was a super easy recipe. It's literally took 10 minutes. All you're going to do is prep your veg, fry it off, steam everything, and then basically throw it straight into your blender, blitz, and it's ready. And all you've got to do then is just serve it in a bowl, put some of your toasted pine nuts on top, and then put a nice little cross of your asparagus tips over the top. So really hope you enjoyed this. Please also do check out my playlist for soup recipes. I've done lots of them now. Also, do subscribe and turn on those notifications. Bing! Every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4:30. Please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into my show. Also, please do put your comments below. What is your favourite soup? We're coming now into springtime. Really interesting to hear your feedback. What's your favourite seasonal soup recipe? So take care, everyone. Bye bye.